Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably. And today I'm going to show you yet another amazing automation which will let you manage your data effectively. So here I'm going to create an automated contact database. So guys, many big companies and organizations use a contact database to effectively manage the data and information of its customers, employees and other contacts. So if you store the data of your contacts and customers in a single easy to use contact database, that will provide you a centralized location to find this type of data for every employee that is working in your organization. So that will eventually improve their productivity and save a lot of their time. So here I'm going to create this database by integrating Google Contacts and StackBy. And the flow of this automation will look something like this. So as and when you update a contact or add a contact here in Google Contacts, the data of the contact will get automatically delivered and saved in the database that you have in StackBy application. Okay, so to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of creating this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So let us set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to create this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So guys, please do check the link in the description that we have pasted for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After that, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And guys, here you have to create a workflow to set up this automation. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you have to you can give any beautiful name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have given the name to this workflow as a contact database by integrating Google Contacts and StackBy. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger is, it is saying here when this happens. That means a trigger is the happening of any event and the action is the response to that event. So in our use case, the trigger would be adding of a new contact or updating of a new contact in Google Contacts application, and the action or the response to that trigger would be to send that same contact and save in StackBy database. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up your trigger here. So in our case, the trigger application is Google Contacts. So you have to select the Google trigger application first. From this choose app field, type here Google Contacts and you will find the logo here. Let me see. Here it is, Google Contacts. Okay, select it. And then it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be these two. It can be these two. A new group created, it can be act as a trigger, or a new or updated contact that can act as a trigger. So here I'm selecting this one. I want that as and when I add a contact or update any contact in Google Contacts application, this workflow or automation will trigger and the same contact will be added in my database. Okay, so I'm selecting this new or update contact here. Then I'm clicking on connect and we'll connect Google Contacts by clicking on add new connection. Then click on connect with Google Contacts. And from this window, you can select the Google account from which you are using the Google Contacts application. So select that account from here. And then you have to provide some additional access that is completely safe. Just click on continue here. And you will see that the authorization will be successful. And now we are connected with Google Contacts. So here you can see, let me show you my Google Contacts dashboard. This is my Google Contacts application and I have all these contacts added here. Okay. So guys, here we are going to fetch the data of any contact from Google Contacts in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that data, we are going to move this automation further. Okay. So guys, in Pabbly Connect, you can see it. Here is a button, save and send test request. So when you press it, it will bring out the data of a most recent contact added or updated in Google Contacts application. Okay, so I'm clicking here on save and send test request and let's see how the data will appear. And you can see the data is here in this response received section. And in this data, you will find the name of the person as this. You can see the display name is Gary Monroe, and it is a contact. And this is the number of the contact number. Okay, so this is how the data will appear. And here you can see I have this contact in my Google Contacts application. Where it is, Gary Monroe. Here it is, Gary Monroe. This is the Gmail ID and this is the phone number. And this is the data of this person fetched here with the same email ID received, with the same phone number received and the same name. Okay, you can see. Now we want to add the same person in a database that I have created here in my StackBy application. Let me open my StackBy dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard of StackBy, and let me log in here. So I have logged in my StackBy, and here it is, contacts backup. This is my database that I have created, and this is the name of the database, contacts backup, and this is the spreadsheet I have created in this database. Okay, so I want to add the contacts that I have in my Google Contacts to here in this database. So for that, you have to click here on this plus icon, in this action button, and from this choose app, choose your action application now, which is StackBy or StackBy. Here it is. And then you have to select the action event as this, create a row, because I have created a spreadsheet here and I want to add this contact in a new row. So you have to select this, create a row. So it will create a new row to a specified table or a spreadsheet. Okay, so select it, then click on connect. Okay, and from here select this add new connection, and here it will ask for this API key to integrate StackBy with Pabbly. So to find this key, you have to log into your StackBy and go into the account section. So let me show you how you can find this. This is my dashboard of the database in StackBy. So here I'm clicking on this profile icon, and here I'm going to click on this account section, and a new page will open up like this. And from here, when you scroll down, you can find this API key here. So you can create a new key or you can use the key that you have here just by clicking here on copy, and then come here to Pabbly Connect and paste the key here like this, and then click on save, and you'll be connected with StackBy now. And you can see we are connected here. Okay, now it is asking for the name of your workspace that you have created. So I have created a workspace in StackBy, sorry. Let me show you. This is a workspace, my first workspace. This is the one, and here I have created this contact backup database actually. Okay, so I'm going to select this workspace name as my first workspace. Okay, and now it is asking for the stack to be selected. So I have created this stack here, contacts backup stack. Okay, so I'm going to select this stack, contacts backup. Okay, and then it will ask for the name of the table or the spreadsheet. Okay, so here it is asking the name of the table. So the name of our table is this Google Contact. Okay, so you'll find the name of this table here like this. So select this also. Now it is asking to fill these things, that is the first name, the last name, the email address, and the phone number of the contact that you want to add here in the database. So we got the data of the contact from Google Contacts here like this, you can see. So I'm going to map this same data here in this second step. Okay, so to map the data, you just have to click here on this first name field, and it will show you this Google Contacts option in the drop down. So select it and find the first name. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will find the first name as this. Okay, and for the last name, use the same method. From the Google Contacts, find the last name. So here, let me show you where is the last name. Here is the last name. Okay, and the email address, you can map the email address as well. Just scroll down a bit more, and here you will find the email address. Okay, and for the phone number, you will find the phone number also. So when you scroll down, it will show you the phone number like this, map it like here. Okay, now Let's check our connection if the connection with StackBuy or StackBuy is working properly or not. So here I'm going to click on this save and send test request, and this contact that I have mapped here will be added in my StackBuy application. Okay, so you can see it started showing this response here. Now let me show you my StackBuy, and here you can see a new row got added here with the same details, Gary Monroe, the email and the phone number, which I have mapped here. Okay, so guys, when you map this data here, what will happen another time when you will add or update any contact in Google Contacts, this data that you have mapped here will be changed automatically and will be saved in your StackBuy application. You need not to map the data every time. Okay, you just have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, whenever you add or update any contact in Google Contacts, automatically the same contact will be delivered here in your database that you have created. Okay, so we are done creating this automation. Let me give you a quick recap. So first of all, in this trigger, I connected Google Contacts application and we fetched the data of a most recent contact here. Then after that, in the actions tab, I connected StackBuy and mapped the data need to be delivered in StackBuy like this, and our connection was proper. Okay, now you just have to click on save. And guys, the best part is that I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.